The Bar Set Cocktail Shaker Set is a 16-piece kit designed for mixology and bartending. It comes in a sleek silver color and is made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and a modern aesthetic. Here's a breakdown of what's included in the set. 1.30-ounce Martini shaker. This is the centerpiece of the kit, used for mixing and shaking cocktails. It typically consists of two main parts, the shaker tin and the cap. The larger tin is where you combine your ingredients and ice, and then you fit the cap over it before shaking vigorously to chill and mix the ingredients. 2. Muddler. A muddler is a tool used to crush and mix ingredients like fruits, herbs, and sugar in the bottom of a glass or shaker to release their flavors and aromas. It's essential for creating cocktails like mojitos or old fashions. 3. Bar Kit Cocktail Book. This could be a recipe book or guide that provides instructions on how to make a variety of cocktails. It might contain classic cocktail recipes, techniques, tips, and suggestions for creating your own unique drinks. 4. Jigger. A jigger is a measuring tool used by bartenders to ensure precise proportions of liquid ingredients in cocktails. It usually has two different sized cups or cones on each end, allowing you to measure both small and large amounts of liquids accurately. 5. Pourers. These are small spouts that fit into the neck of liquor bottles to help control the flow of liquid when pouring. They assist in accurate pouring and prevent spills. The remaining components in the kit might include additional bar tools like strainers, stirring spoons, bottle openers, and garnish tools. The exact contents could vary depending on the brand and the specific kit you have.